measure of justice, and that is the constitutional justice. Your Honor, justice denied, justice delayed is justice denied. And today we are experiencing miscarriage of justice. These gentlemen are innocent before this competent court of law under Article 50, Subarticle 2A, doctrine of innocence until the contrary is proved. Your Honor, Article 157.11 speaks to the heart of the DPP. That the DPP should act in a manner that promotes public confidence. What is before you today here, Your Honor,